the cutest place I've ever seen. Hello everybody, welcome back to the One Step at a Time channel. My name is Garrett. I am feeling great today. Not just because I took a shower after a couple days of being in the hostel, but I am in Sitges, Spain. This place is so beautiful. So I just got in, just checked into my hotel. And let me just show you the view from my balcony. This place is so cute. I'm getting ready to go to the beach, enjoy some of the sun. So make sure you stick around. But first, go ahead and like this video, and don't forget to subscribe for more videos. So, we are leaving Barcelona for the day, and about an hour later, our train arrives in Sitges. There's no use in looking back. And we are on the beach. Forgot I live, 'cause I'm so over the past, and I'm living it fast. Underneath the strobe lights, ready for a crazy night. I came in April when it was slower and had plenty of the beach all to myself. You can enjoy the beach and then stroll down the main street. Of course, no European town is complete without a crazy old church. Sitges has the Church of St. Bartholomew. I spent the rest of the day just walking around the town. And next time I will have to delve more into the crazy nightlife. Alright guys, well I hope you guys enjoy our day in Sitges. I am back at my new hostel back in Barcelona for a couple more days. So yeah, still got a couple more adventures for you guys, so don't forget to like and subscribe, and we'll see you guys next time. Bye!